Hello YouTubers, how you doing? Just another quick update on Hurricane Energy. They came out with a trading update, so let's have a look. It just came out today, 7 o'clock in the morning UK time. It's basically they've made 19 million more net increase cash from last year. They've managed to produce 12,500 barrels of oil and 5.1 million barrels gross with 12 cargoes, and their revenue is 179 million at an annual average oil price of $35 per barrel, and the net end cash flow, basically cash in hand, $106 million. And yeah, so let's look at what Hurricane does. They're basically a very small oil company based in the North Sea, North Shetland, and yeah, they own a field called Lancaster, which is owned 100% by Hurricane, so which is the good news. Again, they're very tiny, and they had a very bad year last year, hence why the share price collapsed. I'll show you that in a minute. Yeah, okay, let's go into the share chart. Okay, so currently the share price is just under 3. It went up just around 8%, so it looks like the market is taking the news very positively. I'll show you why the share price crashed. Yeah, as you can see, it crashed from just around 30 pence and all the way down to 3. So you can see that's like a massive 80-90% drop, and that's because they had some issues with the Lancaster field. The expected production was 20,000, and they had some technical difficulties, and now they're producing almost half that. And as you can see, the reaction from the share price. So right now, as you saw on the trading update, they've made $179 million on an average oil price of $35. And the good news is right now the oil price is 56, 57 at the moment. You'll see in a minute. So if you compare from last year's result, at $35 oil, they've made $179 million in revenue. Now, as you can see, the oil price now live is just under $56 a barrel, and they've gone up significantly in the last 1 or 2 months, as you can see on the graph. So going forward, I believe because the oil price gone up so much, they're gonna make way more than 179 million in revenue this year. Way more. That's, as you can see, the oil price gone up, shoot it up. So yeah, so this is one of the reasons why I think 3 pence, well, 2.8 pence, it's like a no-brainer, because I don't think it can get any lower. The lowest it's ever been was just over 2 pence, and now we are sitting on just under 3 pence. So with the oil price, as you saw, 56, and it's going to climb higher. This is what the most the analysts are saying. The oil price is going to go 60 or more. So I think this is a good company to look into. Again, it's very high risk. Anything I say is not advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but do have a look. I think it's a great play at this price anyway. I mean, it's a bargain at 2p, just over 2p. Yeah, so let's look at another one. Again, it's very similar to this. I've spoken about this in my other video. It's a Rockhopper exploration. Okay, yeah, it's gone up just over 7% today. It was just under over 5 pence just a few months ago, so it's nearly doubled. And the reason for that is they're gonna, or they have a court case with the government of Italy, and there's a huge possibility that it may go Rockhopper's way. If that happens, they're gonna receive a large amount of money from the Italian government, and they are debt-free company. So at the moment they are just over or just under 50 million MCAP, with depending on how much they get from the Italian government. I mean, that share price is gonna catapult upward. That's again if they receive the money, if they win the court case. And another thing is they have a 30 or 40% stake in Falkland Island, one of the development there. And if Premier Oil or Harbour Energy gives the go-ahead for the development, again this share price can do very very well. Just to give you an idea of how valuable they were just a few years ago, as you can see they used to be over £4 a share. Again, right now they're debt free, so I'm not too worried about the finance. Again, it's another one to look at. It's high risk. Do your own research, and yeah, do subscribe to the channel please. And if you want to use the link below for trading 212, you can do so. You'll get a free share, I'll get a free share, and that way you're helping me or support the channel. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the update. Do keep an eye out for Hurricane. Ticker symbol is HUR, and the Rockhopper is RKH. They both trade in London Stock Exchange under AIM market. It's a very high risk, so do your own research. And until then, this is goodbye from me, Sylheti Money. Thank you.